Hi everyone. So today we will be looking into how to install Python in your local box. So I'm going to this link. This link will be provided in the description. You can click on it. And then from this page, you can select the Anaconda here. Click on it. You will be redirected to the this page, and here you can click on download. So once you click on download, one exe file will be downloaded. It is already downloaded in my local box, so I'm able to get it from the downloads of my browser. So once you can either go to show in folder, or you can double click on it. Once you double click on it, you will get this pop-up. So let me click on next. Here again I have to click on I agree, and then for me it's the only user on my machine, so I'll just select just me, recommended for me. Then everything will be installed. Okay, here you have to check this box, add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variables. It is required because, for example, if you don't check this box, you cannot always run Python from other locations apart from where you have installed Python. So about this we'll be discussing little later, but you have to check this if you want to run the programs from any location in your machine. Then yeah, it is installing. It will take little time. So till now the installation was going on. To reduce the size of the video, I have just paused it. So once this is done, you will get an option like next here. Click on it and then click on next. Okay, click on finish. So this is just the free tutorial about it. So now if you go to your start window, you'll have this Anaconda here. Click on it. So it's loading. Yeah. Once it is loaded, if you observe there are multiple things in this, you need not worry about all of them. Just go to Jupyter Notebook here, this part, click on launch. So if you observe here, it is loading. So give it some time. It's loading. So we can run our programs in Jupyter Notebook. It's very easy. So for now, if I have to create a new file or new program, you can click here new, and you can create text file, folder, terminal. All this we'll discuss later, but for now if you want to run Python 3 programs, you can click on it. So it will be, this is a new notebook where you can run your programs. So if you want to rename this, double click on it and say first, 1 second. So it is first program, and then you can rename it and say, for example, my first program is nothing but hello world. That's it. To run it, you can click on this run button here. If you click here, the output is shown here itself. Say for example, I want to print numbers from 1 to 10. So we have already discussed this in the previous videos. So let me just write 1 to 11. So 11 is exclusive here. So let me just print I now, so that it will be printing numbers from 1 to 10. Yeah, if you observe this thing they are printing. So this is how you can set up the Python in your local box. Basically there are many other methods to set up Python, but it's the easiest way. So that's the reason I have shown you this. I hope this is helpful. And one more thing is like I am leaving a link in the description for my Telegram group so that you can interact with me with any of the issues you are facing while downloading or installing or writing any programs. You can share the screenshots and all. I'll try to help you one on one. That will be more helpful, and the others who are also doing the programs can help you. So yeah, thank you for watching.